And so is that your advice for somebody who's transitioning from, say, a builder, or they're a landscaper, or they're in the service industry in some other way? Would you recommend they go to InterNACHI and get certified while they're in their current industry and then transition?
Yeah, because let's say you're a master plumber or a master craftsman, or you know how to build a house already. It's a completely different animal to inspect a house. To be a home inspector is really weird. You have to not use your hands in anything. You can't touch anything. So imagine me if I got my hands and I tied them behind my back and I walked through a home and I just communicated with my mouth my observations. That's what a home inspection is. It's totally different for a contractor. Contractor wants to look at something and be like, well, let's cut it open and let's see what's in that wall.
Right.
You can't do that as a home inspector. So contractors and anyone from a different trade needs to get the right kind of training in order to be this visual only observer, an inspector that just uses their eyes. Mm-hmm. It's really weird. It's a weird job to walk through something and to provide enough information that your client thinks it's really valuable and is willing to grab money and give it to you for that information that you got for them, just by walking around and looking around. It's not even like a mechanic, a car mechanic. Well, some car mechanics, like you turn on the engine and they can hear the engine go tick, 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 and they're like, oh, you got a problem with the thing. That's kind of like what a home inspector does. But usually the car mechanic will open up the hood, maybe take some parts out, look at the air filter or something, maybe drain the oil, take something apart. But like a home inspector is not even allowed to open a hood. Not even allowed to open it. We got to just look without touching it. It's like this magical skill set that we home inspectors have. You know, it's pretty amazing. And the incredible amount of expectation that someone thinks about their home inspection. Like they think we can see through walls we can't. So it's just a lot of fun being a home inspector.